What is good, ladies and gentlemen? You are here chilling with the real Satoshi Aoki on the channel where you come to learn the best ways to make passive income through cryptocurrency online. If you do find any value in today's video, please consider dropping me a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn the notification bells on when you do find out when new videos do come out. In today's video, it's going to be a short and exciting one, folks. We are going to be in real time staking our CRO on the DeFi wallet to get some nice whopping percentage back gains from there. So I know there's been a lot of glitches and technical issues and bugs and people waiting ages for their funds to arrive from the original Crypto.com app to the DeFi wallet. I personally waited ages for 2 transactions yesterday. So I did one in the morning, went through in the evening, probably about 10 hours later. Then I did my main send, okay? So I did my test send and my main send, which was the main bulk of my CRO that I want to stake. I think at around maybe like 10 or 11 p.m. at night. And I've woken up sort of around 8:39ish a.m., okay, on Saturday morning. And the transaction has come through. The withdrawn has been successful. So for anyone out there watching this video, if your transaction is on crypto.com and it's been stuck on withdraw for a few hours, don't worry, the funds will get to the DeFi wallet eventually, all right? And I know there's also been some issues with some people sort of outside of the UK and some outside of the EU, but even some people inside of the EU that have been concerned about not being able to actually select the blockchain that you're using, okay? So not being able to select the crypto.com chain over the ERC20 blockchain because you want to choose the crypto.org chain because the fees are cheaper and that's the chain you need to have your CRO on, right, on the DeFi wallet to be able to stake. Because if you've got CRO on ERC20 on the DeFi wallet, you're then going to have to do a swap on there and that's going to be quite costly and you're going to need to have some gas fees on there. So whilst I don't have an immediate solution to why that is happening, okay, it does seem to be region specific. So I think there are people in the US that primarily are experiencing this. Look, the best thing that I can say is what I said in yesterday's video. Make sure you got a Twitter account, a Reddit account, a Telegram account as well. Okay, and what you want to do, you want to go on Telegram, official customer support for crypto.com, message them on there, message them on customer support, crypto.com, on Twitter as well, put a post out on Reddit, join with the community and maybe even a Discord as well, because I can tell you right now, there's going to be a lot of people that are experiencing the same issue and that have been through the same issue, and I'm basically just saying this to help you out so that you can basically get your funds over there and staked really, really quickly, okay? So, and before we do jump right in and do the stake, I just want to quickly show you the screen over here. I'm not going to bore you with another entire Crypto.com NFT video. If you do want to see more Crypto.com NFT videos, check out my NFT playlist, and also if you want to see the video of me actually sending my CRO from the app over to the DeFi wallet, I will leave that video right there, okay? Because I've broken these videos down into 2 parts, okay? Because they're quite long, okay? So if you want to see me send the correct way to send over CRO, the video is going to be up there. Let's take a quick look at the NFT that I got here, ladies and gentlemen. So if you watched my video yesterday, you will see that I was in for the Boss Logic drop, okay, which is this one right here for any of you guys that missed it, okay? So we got in on the Boss Logic drop and that's the piece here, ladies and gentlemen. So we're gonna X out of that one. So paid a hefty fee, $2,000 for this one. And in today's video, we woke up, I wasn't planning on doing this, but I got to admit I FOMO'd in, okay, because they were selling out quickly, okay? I don't know a lot about the Formula One, but we got in on the Aston Martin Constant F1 team, okay? So if we click on that one, paid $300 for that one. I was kind of expecting them to actually go for a bit more, and there are ones that are a lot more expensive. One's like 10 grand and there's some $3,000 ones as well, so quite heavily priced there. I got edition 340, as you can see down the bottom there. And Karina actually bought her first NFT as well. She bought her first NFT, so she's probably going to be making a video on that at some stage as well, guys. So as you can see, we'll just you know, watch it in all its glory, what I paid $300 for this morning, which is a video of, it's a pit stop slow-mo, okay? So this one seemed to be going the fastest, and also it just looks pretty cool, okay? Nice, okay, gets you motivated, yeah. So we'll X out of that now. So folks, that'll end the NFT segment of this morning's video. But if you like NFTs at all, if you like Crypto.com, again, guys, remember to smash the like button, drop me a like there, and sub to the channel as well. So let's head on over to the app and check that out. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so we are on the Crypto.com DeFi wallet here. I'm going to be staking my Crypto.com CRO for the first time on the Crypto.org chain, okay? So as you can see here, I've got 15,658.26 USD worth of CRO, okay? So we're not going to go through the details of the DeFi wallet too much in this video, okay, because I have made some videos on that. Make sure you do check out the playlist, folks, to actually check the videos that have come before this. We're gonna head over, bottom right of the screen, straight over to the earn section, and we're gonna have a go at staking, guys. Let's have a go, see how this works first time round. So CRO, at today's rate, we're getting 72.78% per annum, okay? Now, do bear in mind, this will fluctuate, okay? This will fluctuate, okay? It could potentially go down to around 20. It could even go up, depending on how many people put their money in and take their money out. So theoretically speaking, the more people that are investing with this one-click delegation, the less money from the 5 billion supply for this is going to be able to go around as rewards, okay? So what I would say to you is, if you're thinking about doing this staking into the best CRO staking at the moment, then make sure you do your test first, get your money over, and get it sorted, folks, and get it sorted. Seriously, there's nothing else I can say about this. So we're gonna start earning, 72.788, per annum. That's just absolutely fantastic, okay? Absolutely fantastic. So if you're wondering what the difference is between the per annum and the APY, the per annum is not going to be taking into account compound interest, okay? So APY, annual percentage yield, takes into account compound interest, all right? But per annum does not, okay? Assuming they're talking about APR there, but we'll see. We'll find out when we make a future video and update you on the passive income that's coming out. So as you can see, it's already dropped 71.8%. So let's click on this. So I had a few people actually say to me as well, Earl, if I lock up my CRO on here, does it mean that, I lock it in at the rate of CRO on the day? And so that, meaning if CRO then goes up in price, let's just say 500x in a week and I'm getting 20%, does that mean that I should have just left it in CRO? Not at all, guys. It's going to fluctuate with the US dollar amount that you have in there. Well, as far as I'm aware, that's what will happen. That's the way it's always been with Earn, and I don't think it's going to be any different. So again, guys, we're here on the Stake CRO section. Hopefully this just goes smoothly, okay? Because we know sometimes crypto.com can be a bit nuts with this kind of thing. So we go for the max amount. It's a whopping 75,296. Well, whopping for me, okay? And we're going to stake that down the bottom. I'm going to press the button. Okay, so the validator, now the validator won't always be the same, okay? So I suppose they've got different validation pools is what I'm understanding, all right? And Athena is the one that this is gonna go to, okay? The estimated network fee is 0.0002 CRO, which is chips, guys. That's really, really cheap, okay? Fantastic. The stake amount's there. The commission is 10%. That's commission that's gonna go to the delegation pools there. We open that up, just have a bit of a read. Rewards received from crypto.org chain staking are shared with the validator, as the validator charges the commission for transaction, validation, and node operation. The commission is a fixed percentage of your corresponding staking reward and is directly applied to your reward balance, okay? So they're the people that have, and I actually applied to become a validator. They never got back to me, because I think, there's just a certain amount of people that get to do that, which again brings the argument of, how decentralized is it, right? And we get all of that, but, the fact that, aside from that, the fact that we can get, good interest rate and there's no real there isn't really a minimum requirement to stake once you get your CRO over there, it's not all going to be positive, okay? We've got to weigh it all up at the end of the day and just kind of decide what we want to do and not carry on too much about it all, okay? So let's confirm the stake here. All right, now this is important to see, 28-day unbonding period. I understand that my CRO in crypto.org chain staking is subject to a 28-day unbonding period when I unstake as enforced by crypto.org chain network, okay? So now I'm assuming that just means that we can't unstake for 28 days, but actually I'm not 100% sure what that means. I'm doing this in real time, so we'll find out after. But if anybody can get some clarification on that, do drop me a comment here and we'll answer a few questions for everyone. But guys, I'm leaving this in as long as the rate's going to be there. I have no plans to take this out, okay? So we're going to proceed with this, all right? The passcode, Face ID, request submitted. I'm going to take a bit of a screenshot of that, okay? Your request to stake 75,296 CRO is pending 27 March 2021, 9:55 a.m. And we can view the details of it down the bottom, okay? So to validator Athena, the TX ID is there, the network fee as we said, and the total amount there. And we can actually view the status on the Explorer of crypto.org, which is clean, guys. I've had a look at this with my NFTs. It's a pretty clean layout. The request was sent for a non-existent record, okay? So I'm assuming it's just because it hasn't come up yet, guys. So yeah, I think it's just early on, guys. So that'll be the log. So this will eventually fill out with the information once this actually goes through, okay? Alrighty folks, so even though I can't see it on the crypto.org Explorer now on the actual blockchain, I'm in the Defi earn section, as you can see down here still on the bottom, and my assets have moved over, okay? My assets have moved over. You can see the estimated earnings there, still 0 USD, haven't earned anything yet. I'm not sure if that gets updated in real time, like with most yield farming platforms, it does get updated in real time. Don't know if that's gonna be like this with CRO, but we'll keep you updated there. And yeah, let me know, again, if you, and I said it before, but let me know if you want some future update videos of, you know, how much I'm actually getting back from the Defi earn and whether it actually does correspond with, you know, the rates that they sort of promised here. So as you can see, it's all there, guys. The assets are there. I'm getting 71.8% per annum on the CRO there. And, you know, assuming that will fluctuate, guys, that will fluctuate. The amounts there, the total amounts there. And, you know, while we're here, you know, just can show you some of these other rates. You know, we're getting 22% APY on USDT, 17% on USDC, okay? And some other rates down here. Guys, anything under like sort of 10%, I'm not really attracted to. Some of these rates, 0.73, you know, even like Atom 6.98, you know, it's arguable. So I'm really looking for a coin that I believe in, first of all, and then I'm looking in the cryptocurrency sphere at places where I can stake that safely, all right, non-custodial, ideally through MetaMask, you know, with Binance Smart Chain or ERC20, and I can get some good rates there, guys. So yeah, I don't know what else to say, guys. That's pretty much all I have for you in today's video. Let me know if you did like today's video. Again, remember to like the video if you like the video. Subscribe to the channel, of course. If you are new around here, it's free to do, and it does support the channel. And if you're new to crypto.com and you're thinking about getting a Ruby red card or above, use my affiliate link. You get 25 bucks worth of CRO when you get that first card and you do stake. There's never been a better time to get amongst the cryptocurrency space here in 2021. So all the best. Have a blessed weekend, a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.